Yo, what up, everybody? Back here with another video. So today, I seen this on Aki's videos. He got a just regular basic carpet. He ended up painting it black. He prepped and everything. So that's what I'm doing today. I don't like the stock carpet for some reason. So I had a red one in my past build, but so I got this one for a good price off one of my boys. It's a EM1 carpet. So, and I'm gonna prep in it, show you guys a little bit more on how to do it if you guys haven't seen this video. So, I'm gonna get to it. So, tape this off. This is where that little carpet piece is. And then we gotta just wrap it to the right just to get it all one side of the carpet. So it's just good and even. We're gonna have to brush it and do it the other way as well. So when people sit down on it, then they can just, it doesn't show the grid part of it. Just a little update. I'm doing the second color right now. But so far so good. I like how it's coming out. I still haven't done this one right here. But working on this one, done those two over there. Alright fellas, so this is how it came out. This is just the first coat. I mean, it looks pretty good. My first time doing something like this. But I'm gonna let this dry for about 10-20 minutes, and then I gotta go get more spray paint. So yep, I'll let you guys know on the finishing update. So this is the final results. This is how it turned out. Came out pretty good. I still haven't cleaned that. I still gotta clean that. But I like how it came out. Camera doesn't really do any justice, but it looks way better in person.